There are shapes you only land on once in a lifetime. The DB5 is one of them. The stance, low, purposeful, but never loud. Every bodyline is drawn with confidence, each crease catching light like polished steel.
Sliding in, the seat just cups you. Low, firm, but not harsh. It's thick Connolly leather, smells like an old club room. The steering wheel's thin wood rim and drilled alloy spokes feel delicate but alive.
Terrible. Steering's got weight to it, nothing artificial, just that lovely mechanical heft. I feed it into the bend, the front bites, and you feel the whole chassis talk back through your fingertips. Squeeze the throttle and it...
Under that sculpted bonnet sits a 4-liter straight 6, good for 282 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. It feeds a ZF 5-speed manual and a limited slip diff out back, 0 to 60 in just over...
The wheel has this lovely weighted heft to it. You feel the front tyres digging in, especially through these sweepers. Give it some throttle and it builds speed with such smooth, linear pull. No drama.
Under that timeless skin, the DB5 hides thoroughly 1960s hardware. Up front, independent double wishbones, a coil spring, and a telescopic damper manage each wheel. At the rear, a live axle rides on leaf springs and
The steering is light yet beautifully connected. You feel the road through this thin rim like it's wired straight to your palms. Squeeze the throttle and it builds a smooth, linear surge.
Slide into a 65 DB5 and the first thing you notice is the smell of hand-stitched Connolly leather. Hidden beneath that classic surface, though, is an arsenal of tech. A bank of custom
4.0 litre straight 6, hand-built and tuned to 282 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. It feeds a ZF 5-speed manual, short deliberate throws, mechanical in feel, driving...
Up front, the DB5 rides on pressed steel double wishbones, coil springs, and a telescopic damper, tied together by a slim anti-roll bar. A 15-inch wire wheel and tall Dunlop bias ply give it the supple compliance of the night.